Hi, this is Marcus. I am getting ready to head to the Mid-America Fun Fest in Effingham, Illinois. Right now I'm recording on my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Right now we're going to 2006 Corvette. So yesterday I was reviewing the GoPro 10. I had it mounted in the windshield of my car. It was getting rather hot and overheating. Yesterday at the Fun Fest I did not have overheating issues. I did have the camera lock up once where I had to remove the battery. The video quality on the GoPro 10 comparatively to the GoPro 9 appears to be a higher quality, which is something that surprised me. I was not expecting that. So I'm going to confirm those findings, and tomorrow I'll be posting another video, this time comparing the GoPro 9 and the GoPro 10 in various video and photo modes. And by various I mean in video mode and in photo mode, specifically the super photo mode, so I can take a look at what decisions the camera made when it was doing its recordings. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and check out that video.